Ever feel like you know all the English words, but can't actually speak? You're not alone. So many people struggle with that.
Oh yeah, I totally get it. It's like having all the ingredients for a cake but no recipe and a broken oven. What are we diving into today, Sarah?
Today, we're focusing on practical English for daily life, simple conversations you can actually use. We're going to build your confidence one sentence at a time with Pod Speak Daily.
Pod Speak Daily sounds like exactly what I need. I'm excited. So no complicated grammar rules or endless vocabulary lists.
Nope, we're keeping it real, focusing on speaking clearly and simply in everyday situations. Think shopping, meeting people, asking for directions, the stuff you actually need.
Awesome, I'm ready to ditch the textbook and start talking. Where do we begin?
We're starting with the absolute basics, introducing yourself. It sounds simple, but nailing these foundational sentences is key.
Okay, I'm feeling the pressure already. Just kidding, hit me with it.
First, the classic, my name is, and then of course you say your name.
Alright, I got this one. My name is Mike. See, I'm practically fluent already.
Perfect. Next, a great sentence to use when you're learning. I am learning English.
I am learning English. This is going great so far.
Exactly. Now, what if someone asks if you speak English? You can say, I speak a little English.
I speak a little English, it's true. I'm making progress already.
And to emphasize your commitment, I am practicing every day.
I am practicing every day. Well, I will be after this podcast.
Finally, show your ambition. I want to speak English well.
I want to speak English well. Okay, I'm feeling pumped. Now what a pop quiz.
Even better, let's put these sentences together in a mini conversation. I'll be a new friend, and you respond naturally, okay.
Alright, bring it on. I'm ready to unleash my newfound English skills.
Hi, what is your name?
Hi, my name is Mike.
Nice to meet you, Mike. Do you speak English?
I speak a little English. I am still learning.
That's great. Are you practicing?
Yes, I am practicing every day.
Wonderful, see, you did it. And it wasn't scary at all, was it?
You know what? It was actually fun. I think I'm starting to get over my fear of making mistakes.
That's the spirit. Mistakes are just learning opportunities in disguise. Now, let's move on to talking about your daily routine.
Okay, daily routine. That's like what I do every day, right? Wake up, eat, try to avoid doing laundry.
Exactly, and it's a super common topic in conversations. So let's build some sentences around that. Ready to repeat after me again?
Ready as I'll ever be, hit me with your best shot of daily routine sentences.
Okay, first, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. That's a lie, but let's pretend.
Next, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. Hopefully everyone does.
I take a shower.
I take a shower, another daily must.
I eat breakfast at home.
I eat breakfast at home, usually cereal if I'm being honest.
I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus, or sometimes I work from home in my pajamas. Don't tell anyone.
I come home at 6.
I come home at 6 and immediately raid the fridge.
I watch TV in the evening.
I watch TV in the evening, guilty pleasure.
And finally, I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock, or later if I'm binge watching something good.
Okay, now let's put these into a conversation. Imagine a coworker asks you about your morning. Ready?
Ready, bring on the coworker.
Hey, how was your morning?
It was okay, I woke up at 7 o'clock.
Oh nice, did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate breakfast at home, cereal as usual, then I came here by bus.
That sounds nice. Do you always take the bus?
Yes, usually, sometimes I walk if the weather is good, but mostly the bus.
Great job, your answers were clear and very natural. You're a natural, Mike.
Hey, thanks, I'm actually starting to feel more confident. This is way better than memorizing grammar rules.
Absolutely, comfort comes with practice. Now, let's try a longer conversation about your full day. I'll ask some questions.
Okay, I'm ready for the Inquisition, ask away.
What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 7, sometimes 7:30 if I'm really tired and hit the snooze button a few times.
Ha, I understand that feeling very well. What do you do first in the morning?
First, I brush my teeth, of course, then I take a shower, then I desperately try to find matching socks.
Oh, the eternal sock struggle. Do you make coffee at home?
Nope, I'm more of a tea person myself. I need that caffeine boost to get going.
And after tea?
I eat breakfast, usually something quick and easy. Then I get ready and head to, well, my computer if I'm working from home.
How do you get to work when you do go in?
I take the bus. It takes about 20 minutes depending on traffic.
And when do you come home?
Usually around 6 in the evening. unless I'm stuck in a meeting that goes on forever, which happens more often than I'd like.
And then, what do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner or order takeout, let's be honest. I watch a little TV, maybe read a book, and try to wind down before bed.
That sounds like a pretty good routine. Very relatable.
It's not exactly thrilling, but it works for me. I'm a creature of habit, I guess.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with that. And you described it perfectly in English. Every sentence was clear and easy to understand.
Well, thanks, Sarah. I'm feeling like a real English speaker now.
You are, and now let's move on to our final topic, home and family. This is something everyone can relate to, no matter where they're from.
Yeah, I love talking about my family. They're a bunch of characters, that's for sure.
Perfect, so let's start with some simple sentences. Repeat after me once more.
All right, let's do this. Family sentence time.
I live in a small apartment.
I live in a small apartment.
I live with my family.
I live with my family.
I have one brother and one sister.
I have one brother and one sister. They drive me crazy, but I love them.
My mother cooks dinner every night.
My mother cooks dinner every night, and she's an amazing cook.
My father goes to work early.
My father goes to work early. He's a hard worker.
We eat together on weekends.
We eat together on weekends. It's our family tradition.
And finally, my home is small, but it is warm and comfortable.
My home is small, but it is warm and comfortable. It's where I feel most at peace.
That's beautiful, Mike. Now let's have a longer conversation about your home life. I'm curious.
Okay, get ready to hear all about the crazy adventures of the Mike's family.
Do you live alone or with family?
I live with my family. My parents and my brother are all crammed into that small apartment.
That is nice. Is your home big?
Definitely not. It's a cozy apartment, shall we say, but it's home and it's filled with love and a lot of clutter.
I like that. What is your favorite room at home?
That's a tough one. Probably the living room, because that's where we all gather to watch movies and tell stories. It's always lively.
Oh, I love that answer. Family time is the best.
Yeah, we always eat together on weekends, like I said. It is our special time. We laugh a lot, we argue sometimes, but we always have each other's backs.
That is so lovely. Tell me about your family. How many people are there?
There are 4 of us, as I mentioned. My mother, my father, my brother, and me. We're a tight-knit bunch.
What does your father do?
He's a retired teacher. Now he spends his days gardening and annoying the neighbors with his loud opera singing.
And your mother?
My mother is the glue that holds us all together. She's a fantastic cook, a master storyteller, and the most patient person I know. She's a saint, really.
Well, Mike, you've painted a wonderful picture of your home and family. It sounds like a very special place.
Thanks, Sarah. They're definitely my everything. And you know what? I described them all in English. I'm so proud of myself.
You should be. You were fantastic. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson on Pod Speak Daily. Let's recap what we learned.
All right, recap time. So we learned how to introduce ourselves, talk about our daily routines, and describe our homes and families. All in simple, easy to understand English.
Exactly. And the key takeaway is, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just keep practicing, one sentence at a time, and you'll be speaking English fluently before you know it.
Yeah, and remember, practice makes perfect, or at least practice makes progress, which is good enough for me.
That's the perfect attitude to have. Thanks for joining me today, Mike. You were a wonderful student.
Thanks for having me, Sarah. I actually learned something today, and I had fun doing it. Can't wait for the next episode.
And thank you, listeners, for tuning in to Pod Speak Daily. We hope this episode has helped you take a step closer to your English speaking goals. Until next time, keep practicing and keep speaking.
Bye, everyone, and remember, don't be afraid to open your mouth and let the English flow, even if it's just a little.